Figured I'd do a quick video on cleaning these air filters on dirt bikes. So what I've always done in the past is you can buy all kinds of K&N cleaners and whatnot for these filters. What I've always used is an old bucket of gas. Now this isn't ideal because there's some oil and stuff in there too, but it's mostly gas. So this is what it looks like now. I'm going to soak it in that gas and then let it dry out for a bit, and we'll see you in a minute, and you'll see how nice this thing comes out in just old gas. So give me a minute. Okay, so don't mind me if this is a little filmed kind of bad. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but this filter's been in here for literally like maybe 10 15, well no, I guess it's been about a minute now, not even. But check this out. See that? Look at that thing. Literally maybe a minute in there, not even. You could probably do it in literally 30 seconds if you wanted to. That's about a minute in there. Look how clean that come out. Like, I didn't do anything. All you do is you throw it in there, and like when I'm in there, I'm doing this. I'm trying to squeeze it and whatever, but that's it. So I'm gonna let this dry outside in the sun for a little bit, and then I'll re-oil it, throw it back in the bike. But yeah, if you ever want to clean your filters and you don't have cleaning solution, or if you do and you're like me and you just rather use the gas because it works so good, that's how you do it, man. Old bucket of gas. You know, just for fun, I noticed I got this old one hanging up on the wall here from my old KTM 380. Now this thing here is disgusting. Very, very dirty. Check this out. I'll do this all in one take. I don't even need to clean this, but just to show you how easy it is. So let's see here. I'll leave it in here for like 10 seconds, maybe something like that. So like I said, I'm just kind of moving it around with my hand, squeezing it, whatever, and letting the gas do the work. Give it another 10 seconds here. It'll be less than a minute. You ready? Keep in mind how filthy this thing was. There's a bit of a squeeze here. Look at that. Wasn't even in there for a minute. Not even a minute. Look at that. Look how nice it is. I guess I missed one little... Oh, no, I didn't. Not even a minute in the gas. And that thing was filthy, filthy, filthy. Anyways, I'm telling you guys, gas is the way to do it. See ya. Hey! Subscribe to the channel.